Hi everyone, welcome to another workshop update from Southern RC. I've been wanting to get my hands on a Traxxas TRX4 Bronco for quite a few years, and I decided with my Proline rock van it was time to remove the body and get a new body for it. So I found this 12.3-inch hardbody online for a very reasonable price in relation to what Lexin body costs. So I ordered it and started working on it. First I filled all these little holes in the body where the body posts goes through, so I filled those with Tamiya putty, as I wanted to do magnetic body clips on this one. The first mistake I made was to buy a white primer to spray on the white body, so it was quite difficult to see where I sprayed it and where I haven't sprayed it. But in the end I just gave it quite a few layers and that worked well. Initially I thought I'd go with like a flat green color and blacked out chrome, but in the end I settled for Tamiya TS92 metallic orange and blacked out chrome, which I think in the end looks quite good. I lost count of how many layers of orange I put down. I just kept on going and sanded in between some of the layers to just up to the point where I thought the coverage was good enough and the finish looked good. After finishing all the orange layers, there's one or two places where it looks like the color still isn't even, so I think I might later on just do a black backing on the inside and see if that will solve the problem. After finishing all the orange layers, I started masking off all the orange parts so that I can do the cab at the back in matte black, as well as the front part behind the grille. The masking took quite a while to have that correct, and just to make sure that there's no way that the black can go through onto the orange after spending all the time painting all the layers of orange. The next step was to try and remove the chrome from the chrome parts. I saw videos on YouTube that they say that you can put it in bleach and that will take off the chrome. But after about, I think, 15 or 20 minutes, there was still no result in the bleach. So I decided to just sand down the chrome and then put down a layer of primer and then just paint it on top of the primer. These parts also received a few layers of primer and then quite a few layers of the matte black Tamiya paint, just to make sure that everywhere was covered well and that it was an even coverage. My next step was to assemble all the parts, which was quite a nightmare. I used Tamiya glue to try and get everything stuck together. But with the hardbody parts, you press it down on the one side and then it lifts up on the other side again. So after a while, I decided to just do that off camera because it would have taken hours. And I got the idea to stick down everything with masking tape and then glue it. And that worked quite well. I left it for 24 hours, and then when I removed the masking tape, everything was in place. The body mounts, I decided to use magnetic body mounts so that I don't have to make holes in the body. I bought some Loctite glue to stick those on the inside of the body, which didn't work quite very well at this start, but then I stuck to it, and in the end it worked out. The magnetic body mounts doesn't stick to or keep the body down too well, so it'll probably, when you have an accident and it rolls over, the body will probably come off. But I'll see how it goes, and then if it's a problem, I'll probably eventually do normal body posts. The magnetic body mounts also has the effect that the body posts can't go down far enough, so the body sits a bit higher than it would have normally been. The last thing I did was swap the wheels out with my Capra because that has the black wheels, which I think will look better with the blacked out chrome on the and the orange on the Bronco. I have a video coming up. I took it out on the trail. Unfortunately, the one side mirror already broke off when it fell over, but I think it looks quite good, the orange and the black. The Bronco also came with a roof rack that I'll add at some point a bit later, but for the time being, I'm leaving it as it is. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of the Bronco. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy your day and that I've inspired you to do something similar.